Doesn't matter. Okay, let's try it now.
No, it doesn't work with gas.
Charcoal.
Yes, charcoal. Yes, to be in. Hello. She said you can take it before people come and reach you. Now you can carry this thing to any party. I want to one party, very big person. Volume point. Congratulations on behalf of AAAF. I present this grilling stove for you to start your business. It's an empowerment for you to stand on your own, and you can feed your family, so you don't start asking for charity. You can defend, and like others have said, you can go on to technology, place it on WhatsApp, Instagram, volume points.
Use it judiciously. It's not given to you for you to go and sell, because we will actually monitor and see and evaluate to see how impactful this has been to you. Congratulations.
She is a strong woman, and I know that by the grace of God, you are going to turn this around, to better your life, to better the life of your children and the people around you. I pray that God will make this a good product for you, and that you will use it well, and you will gain from it, and God will multiply it. By the time we see you next year, maybe you have about 5. You are already doing from, but the way they started their karate, so you start having branches, and making more money. Thank you very much, Aisha.
Congratulations.
I wish you all the best. Your business will grow in leap and bounds as you use it. Thank you. Thank you.
Put it into good use, but I want to add one thing. Step up your games with it. You have children using phone. As you are being presented this, I was talking to my mommy there. I said, most of you will not think of stepping up your games, going to telling people that are doing parties that we can do it for you in your party. They do amala. They do small chops. It started from somewhere. So do that. Do roll up banners.
So we have to give just 5 people.
Yes.
So I'm sure we'll be able to give some other time. We already have names now. So
I sell food stores.
You sell food stuff?
Yes.
So what do you want to use it for?
To market my business.
What kind of food stuff?
Rice, stockfish,
so we'll present this to you. Please make good use of it so that you can better your business. We will come back next year when we are doing IWD, and you will report to us what you have used this for. Both this and those who are using the money stuff, you need to let us know how much money, so that maybe you'll be part of those people that will be funding Afolabi Foundation.
Yes.
Congratulations, madam. Thank you. Thank you so much. Ajoke Ayisat Afolabi.
I make hair, so sometimes when I finish because I say go by hairs. Once that's the first time here, so I want to snap and since I don't have a photo to display it.
Okay. Alright, thank you very much. So pray that you use this to make more businesses and get more people to come and do here. So next year we expect you to tell us how this has been useful. You better track it to so that okay. So what do you do, madam?
I used to sell fresh one, roasted one. So I used to pack it.
In nylon. What's your business name? Don't worry. So for Aisha, I will want Aisha to send to have a business name. We can make sure that. Congratulations. Okay, you give us all smoothie. So when we do this kind of program, that's really good. me, I'll call you. All right? You need to. So, thank you very much. Congratulations. Hello. Hi. See, this sister, I don't know how many people you have here, but I can give you a blanket for 50 people. Let them come to what see. I will invite the business consultants that work with our people to work with them so that each person will have a business name. And each person will have a business plan. So we'll work together with us and make that possible. We have it all. And if we need all for training, that our work can take 150 people.